And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 15. Let me show the left and right align. It works the same as the center align. Let me create 3 objects first. I give them different fill colors. We'll stick to rectangles because that is what we already covered in our playlist. To align it, we'll select it all, and then we use this function to set the relative. We want to use the artboard and then use the center line. I've already shown you that. You can position all elements in center like this. Right next to it, our center align are aligned for left, right, top and bottom. So I've got it still set to the artboard relative, and I can put it to top, bottom, center positions. But you can also use, for example, key object, then left click, for example, on the blue one, which is not a key object. And now if we use the center, it will be the center of the bluish one. We can also use the top. So it's the horizontal center and then the vertical top of the blue element. Once more, I'll select it all. Relative is set to key object, and I use the black one. And now I use the right function and afterwards the bottom function. So it positions everything to the bottom right of the black element. If you wanted to, for example, put everything here in the red element, top right, we'll select it all, relative to key object. Left click on the red element to highlight it, so it should have this bluish outline. Then we use top and right, and everything is at this top right corner node of the red element. Let's say we wanted to put it to the bottom left of the artboard, so we set the relative to artboard, and then use left align and bottom align. Fairly easy once you've done it a couple of times, and don't worry, we're going to repeat that over and over because alignment is something that you need for basically all designs, so we're going to encounter that in our Illustrator playlist quite a lot. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.